Today we will be talking about pairs of lines. A few lessons ago we talked about lines and how they're just a set of infinitely number of points strung in both directions going off into infinity. So that is a line. So sometimes we have two lines that we're talking about. So the first set is intersecting lines. We briefly talked about this. So say we have a line, and I know I should be using a straight edge, but I'm not. So I have this line, and I have another line. And when they cross in exactly one point, we call them intersecting. They are intersecting. They have one point in common, this point. Okay. So now we have, if lines can intersect, then they also can not intersect. Okay, so say I have a line AB and I have a line ML. These two lines we say are parallel. That means they will never meet. If we go into infinity in both ways, whichever way they are, into infinity, they will never meet. It's kind of like the bottom of the whiteboard and the top of the whiteboard. If we extended those lines for infinity and this one to infinity, they will never meet. So we say they are parallel. And here's how we write that. We would say that line AB is parallel. So see how we put these two lines here? It looks like a set of mini parallel lines. Is parallel to line ML. Line AB is parallel to line ML. We have to make sure we have the line symbols there. Perpendicular lines. That is a special kind of intersecting line. So say I have line PQ. And then I have an intersecting line, and it forms a right angle, an angle that's 90 degrees. And I am going to label this one JK. So I have line PQ and line JK. They are perpendicular. They make kind of a plus sign. That's a set of perpendicular lines. They form a right angle or 90 degrees. We learned that in a previous lesson. So here's how we would write if two lines are parallel. We would say that line PQ is perpendicular. So that's kind of a weird little symbol. It's a horizontal line with a vertical line. So line PQ is perpendicular to line JK. Then we have skew lines. These are neither intersecting, nor are they parallel, nor are they perpendicular. Okay? But it's hard to draw a picture. It is in space. Okay, so say we have this three-dimensional, I'm just using the Kleenex box. Okay? And if we look at the edges of our Kleenex box, okay, if we had a line that is on this particular edge, I'm going to use that pencil as an example. That's a line, and it's going to go this way, okay, back towards you and then towards me. Then I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to put it on this edge. Okay, so if you can see that this line goes up and down, I'll just use the word up and down, okay, into infinity. And then this one goes towards you and then away from you into infinity. They will never cross, so they are not intersecting lines, nor are they parallel because they're in different planes. These two lines right now would be parallel, but if I have one of the lines in this plane, they are not parallel either. So those are just some of the ways we classify pairs of lines.